Thinking about becoming a Lyft driver but don't have a car? Let's find out if Lyft's Express Drive program is your golden ticket or a highway to hidden costs. First, head to the Lyft website and navigate to the Express Drive section. You'll need to fill out an application. Make sure you meet Lyft's driver requirements, which generally include being at least 21, having a valid driver's license, and passing a background check. Once approved, you can choose a car from Lyft's approved rental partners, like Hertz or Avis. Pay close attention to the weekly rental cost and mileage allowance. These are key factors in determining if Express Drive is worthwhile. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. Consider the expenses you aren't paying for with Express Drive, things like car insurance, maintenance, and depreciation. These can add up big time if you own your own car. The catch: the weekly rental fee can be high. You'll need to drive a lot to offset the rental cost plus gas and still turn a decent profit. Calculate how many rides you need to give to cover these costs and still make it worth your time. Lyft often offers incentives for Express Drive drivers who meet certain ride quotas. This can significantly lower your rental cost, making the program more appealing. Track your rides carefully to maximize these incentives. Express Drive can be a good option if you need a car to start driving immediately and don't want the hassle of car ownership. But it's essential to do your research, understand the costs involved, and factor in potential incentives. So, before you jump in, crunch the numbers and see if Express Drive will actually drive you to profit.